Prompt engineering for generative AI. The realm of prompt AI technology, discussing its advancements, applications, and benefits in the field of generative modeling and AI development. What is prompt engineering for generative AI? Prompt engineering refers to the process of developing prompt AI solutions and implementing generative modeling algorithms to create advanced AI engineering tools. This technology allows for the generation of creative and innovative designs, utilizing generative neural networks and machine learning engineering techniques. By utilizing prompt AI applications, engineers can enhance their design processes, optimize their workflows, and explore new possibilities in generative design software. AI innovation services in generative design. Prompt AI technology offers a wide range of innovation services in generative design, allowing engineers to explore new avenues in design creativity and efficiency. By utilizing generative AI tools, engineers can optimize their design processes, improve their productivity, and enhance their overall design capabilities. The future of generative AI technology. As prompt AI technology continues to evolve and advance, the future of generative AI looks promising. AI automation engineering and prompt AI implementation, engineers can expect to see even greater advancements in generative intelligence and AI model generation. Conclusion. In conclusion, prompt engineering for generative AI is revolutionizing the field of AI software engineering, offering engineers a wide range of tools and solutions to optimize their design processes and explore new possibilities in generative design.